so that on the timely basis they can prepare themselves for that. Interesting technology or intellectual property. Talking about the intellectual property means they are providing their copyrights, they are providing their special techniques and know-how to the business. An appropriate valuation with reasonable terms, like how they can increase the valuation, they are providing the net worth to the company, and viability of raising additional rounds of startup funding if progress is made. And in future, if the company is progressive, if the company is progressing, then they will provide the future benefit also to the company from the other investors. Now next one is the crowdfunding. Talking about the crowdfunding, as the name suggests, crowdfunding. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मिलकर आपके बिजनेस में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है. Like small investors जो भी होते हैं, और normally जो होता है ये ऑनलाइन बेसिस पर होता है, जिसकी बहुत सारी इंटरनेट साइट्स अवेलेबल हैं, through which you can take the benefit of this type of funding. So crowdfunding is basically the small investor joined together, they are providing the funds to the startups. So this is the practice of raising funding through multiple funders, often via popular crowdfunding websites. So they are working through the websites. This gives startup entrepreneurs the opportunity to raise startup funding for their business and can help a company promote its product or services. After that, they will also help the person in the promotion of the product. The key to successful crowdfunding campaign is to have a compelling story about your product. If you are in a position that if you are in a position to convince the other people, you are using directly the software, you are using directly to that type of business. Popular platforms are the sites name I have given here. Kickstarters, Indiegogo, and average rounding amount is around $1 lakh. Second one is the donation. It is for the NGOs, and the companies for this is GoFundMe, fundraiser. They are providing around $10,000. Third one is the peer-to-peer. It is for a person who is looking for a personal loan. And the sites that are providing this type of loan is the Lending Club and Prosper, and it is going up to the $40,000. Real estate, those who are doing business in the real estates, or those who are want to invest in real estates, that is the Reality Mogul or Fundrise. Equity, businesses or startup, that is the AngelList and Seed Invest. And last one is the royalty, businesses and startup. Royalty is basically if you are having any special know-how or technique that you know and other people doesn't know, and you want to have a patent of this, and over and above that you are getting the royalty. The third one is the bootstrapping. What is the bootstrapping? The bootstrapping is basically to start from the scratch with your own money. You are not getting or help from your relatives or parents. That's it. So basically the bootstrapping is to just start your business from the starting, from the scratch with your initial money. That's the reason some students are saying after doing our MBA we will do a job for 4 or 5 years, then we will collect the fund and then we start the business. That is the bootstrapping. Okay. So it is starting a business from scratch and building up with minimum outside investments. And how they arrange the fund for their business? By selling their products. By selling their products, they are getting money, they reinvest that money, and in the future they can take the loan, but that कैसा? आप credit card पे आपने loan लिया, but who is going to pay that credit card payment? आप ही दे रहे हो ना? तो it means आपने खुद के लिए अपना business खुद अपने पैसे से start किया. So it is the act of starting a business with no money or at least very little money. It certainly means starting a business without the help of venture capital firm. These are the top 10 Indian startups that are bootstrapped. जिन्होंने अपने bootstrapping से business किया है. Fusion Charts, Zoho, 42 Gears, Zerodha, Quick Heal Technology, Wikify, Great Learning, MyOperator, Kayoko, Kaleria. Especially if you are talking about the Zerodha, that was just initiated in the 2010. और ये bootstrap business है. Zerodha आपने नाम सुना होगा. जो shares के अंदर deal करते हैं, they're providing their expertise in investing the shares. And now if you are talking about their valuation in 2020, just within the 10 years, their valuation comes to the $1 billion. कितना होता 1 billion?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Advantages: you don't have to spend time hunting out investment because you have to start your business with your own self. You control the company with no funding. You learn to manage the company's money money, it forces you to be creative. As all money is coming from customers, they become your number one priority, not investors. Because by selling your product, you are reinvesting the money. If you survive bootstrapping, you will have a strong, lean, efficient, customer-focused company. But the disadvantage, the major disadvantage of bootstrap is that you can't start your business on a large scale. Because in the large scale, we need at least the money in crores. Factory setup, including your machinery and everything, plant and machinery, it costs something around crores. So it's not basically the business which needs the large investment data. This is not for that type of business. Now fourth one is the venture capital. In the last session I have talked about the venture capital. The venture capital is basically what they are providing the equity capital to your business. But they are not providing the capital in one instance. You have to submit your project or your business plan to the different venture capitalists, that how your product is going to operate in the future, what the thing that makes your product or your business different from the other. And the venture capitalists will provide the funding to the business, but the funding will be in the different parts. It's like a seed money. When you start your business, immediately you don't need the money. You just need the money for purchasing the raw material. Then you convert it into the production. After that you go for the sales and promotion, but on the different stages you need money, and in the similar way they are providing the money in the different phases. But the major aspect of this is that they invest in the form of the equity only equity share. And when they are operating, they want in the exchange of the funding, in the exchange of that they want equity share, definitely they want the ownership capital. And ownership capital means, as they have put their hard-earned money in our business, so definitely they will, and now they are interested in our profit. They want that our profit will increase, so that their share will also increase. So that is the major benefit of the venture capital, that you can take the expertise from the venture capitalist. Feature is normally it's high risky because equity capital is very risky. So it's a lack of liquidity because they are providing the money in the different phases according to your requirement. You are getting the funds from them. It's a long-term origin, it's a long-term process. It's an equity participation and capital gain. Venture capital investments are made in innovative projects. If you are having an innovative project, if you are providing any innovative ideas to the people, definitely they are ready to invest in your business. Suppliers of venture capital participate in the management of the company, and they are like working as a management. With the passage of time, if they feel so, they can sell their share to you, or they can take out the money in exchange of that share. The methods are the equity or participating debentures. They are offering for the debentures which is having a fixed rate of interest, but that the participating debenture that will participate in the working of the company. Conditional loan, we will provide, the expertise from us, or technology will be from us, whatever be the condition they can put it on. The funding process is approaching venture capital for funding as a company. The only main thing is that you need to approach the venture capital along with your lucrative idea, and they are ready to invest in your money if you are able to convince them. Now next one is the get funding from business incubator and accelerators. You know what is incubator? What is incubator? No, incubator is when a newly born baby, if the medical condition of that baby is not fine, so they create the atmosphere of that. It's like a machine. They create the atmosphere like a womb of the mother. जैसे जो बच्चा रहा है ना उसी सिचुएशन के अंदर, इट्स लाइक अ पेरेंट वाला जो फील आता है ना, दैट इज टाइप्स ऑफ इंक्यूबेटर. वहां पर उस बच्चे को रखा जाता है कि वो बच्चा सरवाइव कर जाए. जब वो रिकवर कर जाता है तो उसको नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में लेकर आते हैं. आर्टिफिशियल वोम, उसी टाइप का टेम्परेचर जैसा वोम में होता है, जो उसके बच्चे की जैसा वो फील करता है, दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंक्यूबेटर. अगर हम बिजनेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल रहे हैं, इट्स सेम लाइक एक पेरेंट अप्रोच, पेरेंट केयर उसको देना. So early stage business can consider incubator and accelerator program as a funding option. Found in almost every major city, these programs assist hundreds of startups business every year. Now though used interchangeably, there are few fundamental difference between the two terms. Incubator are like a parent to a child who nurture the business, providing shelter, tools and training and network to a business. Accelerator more or less और एस्केलेटर हेल्प्स टू रन। अभी जब सर्वाइवल है जस्ट कंपनी का, देन इट्स अ इंक्यूबेटर। वंस इट सर्वाइव्ड, जब बिजनेस सर्वाइव हो जाता है उसके बाद किसके पास जाता है? ये एस्केलेटर्स के पास। नाउ सर्वाइवल के बाद दे विल गिव द पेस टू द हाई पेस टू द बिजनेस, फिर वो रन करने की पोजीशन में लेकर आते हैं। नाउ रेज फंड बाय विनिंग कॉन्टेस्ट, डिफरेंट कॉन्टेस्ट हुए। अभी आप लोगों का एक होके गया है शार्क टैंक, दैट इज द कॉन्टेस्ट। ना दोज हु हैव वॉन दैट गेम, उनको जो भी उस टाइम पे शार्क्स थे, दे हैव प्रोवाइड द फंड्स। सेम इज हियर, लाइक सेम वही वाला फंडिंग का सोर्स है। एंड इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ कॉन्टेस्ट हैज ट्रेमेंडसली हेल्प टू मैक्सिमाइज द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर फंड रेजिंग। It encourages entrepreneurs with business ideas to set up their own business. In such competition, you either have to build a product or prepare a business plan. I've taken one example. Profit Book Solutions Private Limited benefited a lot after these things. Raise money through bank loans. I think everybody knows about it. You can approach, while seeing the viability of your business, while seeing the financial viability of your balance sheet of your business, they will provide the loans to your business. But normally they are providing the working capital loan sort of. Working capital is what? That is for meeting your day-to-day expenses. एकदम पूरा business के अंदर पैसा नहीं लगाते हैं for startups. Something that is just required to incubate your business, just to start your business. That money that required. It's not 50%, lesser than 50%. Get business loans from microfinance providers or NBFCs. Now, what is the microfinance? As the name suggests, microfinance, छोटा वाला पैसा जो देते हैं. But basically, when it was launched in the Bangladesh, and it was basically for those people who are living in the villages, and they are not having any approaches to the banks. They are illiterate, plus they have been like tortured by the middleman, जो आपसे मतलब बैंक से लिया 5%, उनको दिया 15%, 10% अपनी पॉकेट के अंदर जो, and they are like that, जिनका इनिशियल अमाउंट जो था उससे ज्यादा उनका इंटरेस्ट इकट्ठा हो चुका था। तो फॉर रेजिंग द रिकॉर्ड, और बेसिकली इट वाज स्टार्टेड फॉर द विमेन्स एम्पावरमेंट, जो इसका एक मेन फीचर था। ये स्टार्ट इसीलिए किया गया था, बट इनिशियली व्हेन इट वाज स्टार्टेड विद दिस सक्सेस, अब तो नाउ इट हैज एंटर्ड इन द रूरल एरियाज. So those people, it's basically for those who are not that much educated, those who are not aware about the different banking facilities that are available for them. They can approach the microfinance, and they are ready to invest in their business, and in fact they are ready to start in helping their business or making their business more developed.
With interest or without interest?
No, with interest. Interest rate is no doubt little bit it's high, but obviously it's like after your business. अब जब आपको flourish हो जाए तो you have to repay your installments. Similarly, जो आपके non-banking financial corporations हैं, these are the that provide banking services without meeting legal requirement. Like जो बेचारे uneducated people हैं, illiterate हैं, they are not aware about ना आधार कार्ड क्या है, पैन कार्ड क्या है. जबकि while opening your account in the bank you need all documents. तो वहाँ पर जो अकाउंट खुलता है, जो लोन प्रोवाइड होता है, इट्स विदाउट एनी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. तो दिस इज प्रोवाइड, NBFC is providing the help in this manner. Government programs that offer startup capital, it's like because the startup Make My India was the concept of our Prime Minister. So definitely when he has launched these schemes, so he is ready to provide the loans to these schemes. One of the schemes that is the Pradhan Mantri Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Limited, which starts with an initial corpus of rupees 20,000 crore to extend benefits to around 10 lakh SMCs, जो आपकी छोटी-छोटी small medium enterprises होती हैं, that is the SMCs, and you are supposed to submit your business plan, and once approved, the loans get sanctioned. Entrepreneur get a Mudra card, which is like a credit card, which they use to purchase raw material, other expenses. Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun are 3 categories of loan. सेम पहले सबको क्रेडिट कार्ड है ना, आपने पेमेंट आपकी एक लिमिट डिसाइड कर दी गई, एंड सिमिलरली यू कैन परचेज योर रॉ मटेरियल, बट यू कैन यूज दैट अमाउंट ओनली फॉर द बिजनेस पर्पस. एंड व्हेन दे हैव बाइफरकेटेड द कैटेगरीज लाइक शिशु, किशोर एंड तरुण, दैट इज लाइक द बच्चे की जैसे एज होती है. शिशु देन थोड़ा सा डेवलप हुआ बच्चा जब अपनी यंग एज में आ रहा है, किशोर, एंड देन अडल्ट एज के अंदर आपके इट्स लाइक तरुण, सेम इज लाइक योर बिजनेस. Obviously with the passage of time, जब आपका business flourish होगा, the limit will increase. Okay, now this is all the sources. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.